Hello students, this is Shachi. Welcome to my channel Crack Chemistry. Today I am going to discuss a class 12 topic. The name of the chapter is Alcohols, Phenols and Ethers, and topic's name is Preparation of Alcohols using Carbonyl Compounds and Grignard Reagent. In today's session, I'll tell you a trick to write the products of reaction within seconds without committing any mistake. Students, before starting, I want to remind you to subscribe my channel for getting information about further important uploads. And press the like button if you like this video and share this video with your friends also. So now come with me and let's crack chemistry. Our topic is preparation of alcohols using carbonyl compounds and Grignard reagents. Students, before starting the reaction, I want to give you some interesting information about Grignard reagents. Grignard reagents are organometallic compounds which have the general formula RMgX. Grignard reagents were discovered by chemist Victor Grignard. Grignard reagent consists of two types of bonds. The bond between alkyl group and magnesium is covalent but highly polar, and the bond between magnesium and halogen is ionic bond. So the bond between alkyl group and magnesium is covalent but highly polar, and the bond between magnesium and halogen is ionic bond. In Grignard reagent, as the carbon atom is more electronegative than magnesium, it will acquire a partial negative charge, magnesium will acquire a partial positive charge, and the halogen will also acquire a partial negative charge. So Grignard reagents are highly reactive. They react with any source of proton and convert into hydrocarbons. Even alcohols, water and amines can convert them into hydrocarbons. So therefore, Grignard reagents must be stored under strictly anhydrous conditions. Otherwise, they will convert into hydrocarbons. So we can say that Grignard reagents are considered as a good source for the preparation of hydrocarbons. I would like to write a reaction in support of my point here. So I am writing Grignard reagent RMgX, where X is a halogen like chlorine, bromine, iodine. So it reacts with water and forms the hydrocarbon RH plus NgOHX. So RH is alkane. Now we will discuss reactions for the conversion of Grignard reagent into alcohols using carbonyl compounds. First, I will write a general reaction using carbonyl group and Grignard reagent. So RMgX is the Grignard reagent. As I discussed with you in the previous slides that alkyl group contains a partial negative charge and magnesium atom has a partial positive charge. Because of the presence of Grignard reagent, shifting of electrons take place in carbonyl group. The electrons of the double bond will be shifted towards oxygen atom due to electromagnetic effect, as a result of which the carbon atom of the alkyl group, which had partial negative charge, will attack on the carbon atom which bears a positive charge. So first step involves the nucleophilic attack of carbon of alkyl group on the carbonyl group, and this process results in the formation of an adduct. So I am writing adduct here. You can see that on this carbon, as it acquired positive charge due to the electromagnetic effect, due to the shifting of electrons of carbonyl group towards the more electronegative oxygen atom. So on this positively charged carbon atom, carbon of the alkyl group will attach itself by means of the nucleophilic addition. And what will happen on this oxygen? On this oxygen, this MgX group will be added. So this process results in the formation of an adduct. So this is an adduct. And this adduct will undergo hydrolysis. On hydrolysis, it will convert into alcohols. So how the hydrolysis will take place? I want to tell you a very simple and interesting trick for this so that you will never commit a mistake. Children, always remember, during hydrolysis, the breaking of bond in adduct takes place like this. So hydrolysis means reaction with water. So H of the water will be added to the oxygen of the adduct, and OH of the water will be added to magnesium of the part MgX. So I'll write the product here. Just look carefully, everything will be as it is. So I'm writing here C with 2 bonds and R, and the O which was attached to carbon will be attached with hydrogen. So you can see the process results in the formation of an alcohol. Then I will write the byproduct also. The byproduct is MgOHX. So you can see that we got an alcohol here. One very interesting point I would like to mention here, the type of alcohol. Type means degree of alcohol, whether it is primary, secondary or tertiary, depends on the nature of carbonyl group. Like formaldehyde always gives primary alcohol. I'll show you this by writing a reaction on the next slide. So I am taking the reaction of formaldehyde. Formaldehyde is SCH double bond O. Its IUPAC name is methanol. So I have written here methanol, or common name is formaldehyde. Suppose it is treated with a Grignard reagent CH3MgCl. So as I told you that what will happen, the electrons of this pi bond will be shifted towards oxygen, and this methyl group will attach itself to the carbon of the carbonyl group by means of nucleophilic attack. The process will result in the formation of an adduct. So I'm going to write the formation of, I'm going to write adduct here. So our adduct will be, H will remain as it is, then C. On this C, I am writing here CH3, and one H was present, that this H will be as it is, and on the oxygen MgCl will be added. So this is the adduct. Now this adduct will undergo hydrolysis. I told you a very simple trick to write the final product without committing any mistake. Children, during hydrolysis, the breaking of bond will take place in this way. Hydrogen will be added here, OH will be added here. So what will be your product? I am starting from CH3. CH3, then CH2, and then O will be associated with H. So our product is CH3CH2OH. Plus the byproduct will be MgOHCl. So you can see here the product formed is ethanol, which is a primary alcohol. So we can conclude that formaldehyde always gives primary alcohol, 1 degree alcohol with Grignard reagent. I hope it is clear to you. Now I will see the reaction of Grignard reagent with aldehydes other than formaldehyde. So this time I am taking another aldehyde, ethanol. Ethanol has the formula CH3 single bond C H double bond O. Common name of ethanol is acetaldehyde. So this is ethanol. Ethanol on reaction with the Grignard reagent, suppose I am taking C2H5 MgBr this time. So the same thing will happen. As the carbon atom acquires positive charge because of the shifting of electrons of pi bond towards oxygen atom due to electromagnetic effect, nucleophilic addition of Grignard reagent will take place on the carbonyl carbon, resulting in the formation of an adduct. I am going to write the formula of adduct here, CH3CO. On O, MgBr will be attached. and on the carbon C2H5 group will attach, and on this carbon hydrogen was already present. So this is an adduct which is formed during the nucleophilic attack of Grignard reagent on the carbonyl carbon. Now this adduct will undergo hydrolysis, and as I told you that within seconds you can write the product of hydrolysis by breaking this OMG bond. H of water will be added to this oxygen and OH will be added to the magnesium. So your product will be, I am starting from here. First you have C2H5, then you have the C. So I am writing C2H5 first. Then I am writing C. This C is attached to CH3, you can see here. So I am writing CH3, and this C is attached to H also. So I have written H, and further it is attached to OH. Plus another product is MgOHBr. So children, if you look at the main product carefully, you can see that this product is a secondary alcohol. It's a 2-degree alcohol. The name of this alcohol is, you can start numbering from here to get the longest chain. So this is this carbon number 1, this is carbon number 2, 3, 4 we have here, butane 2-ol, which is a secondary alcohol. So we can give a general statement that aldehydes other than formaldehyde always give secondary alcohol on reaction with Grignard reagent. Aldehydes other than formaldehyde always give 2-degree alcohol, secondary alcohol, on reaction with Grignard reagent. I hope it is clear to you. Now we will see how we can prepare tertiary alcohols. Children, tertiary alcohols can be prepared by the reaction of ketones with Grignard reagent. Let me explain this point with the help of an example. So I am taking a ketone here. This time I have taken CH3C double bond OCH3. So children, you are familiar with this ketone. This ketone is the simplest ketone, acetone. Acetone is the common name, but IUPAC name is the propanone. So this is acetone. And this acetone on reaction with the Grignard reagent, suppose I am taking CH3MgBr this time. The same thing will happen. First thing will involve the shifting of pi electrons of CO bonds towards oxygen atom. The methyl group of Grignard reagent will attach to the carbonyl carbon of carbonyl group which has a positive charge. So this attack involves the nucleophilic attack of Grignard reagent on the carbonyl carbon of the ketone. So this process results in the formation of an adduct. So I am going to write the structure of adduct here. First you can see CH3, then this C is attached to CH3, and here you had OMgBr, and to this carbon the CH3 of Grignard reagent will be added. So this is our adduct. This adduct will undergo hydrolysis. On hydrolysis, as I told you in the previous cases also, this OMG bond will be broken in such a way that hydrogen of water gets attached with the oxygen and OH of water will attach with the MgBr. So I am going to write the product. See carefully how I am writing. I am starting from this CH3, this CH3, CH3. They are attached on the carbon atom. So I am writing 3CH3, CH3, C, CH3. Here again we have CH3, and this O will attach itself with the hydrogen atom. So the product I have written, now the byproduct is MgOHBr. So if you look carefully at the product, you can see that it is a tertiary alcohol. It's a 3-degree alcohol. So the name of this 3-degree alcohol is, common name is tertiary butyl alcohol, and the IUPAC name you can see here we have, this is the straight chain, longest chain, 2-methyl propane 2-ol. So now we can come to a conclusion that ketones give tertiary alcohols on reaction with Grignard reagent. Children, I hope these points are clear to you. And I am sure that if you learn this simple and interesting trick, you will never commit a mistake while writing this reaction. So whatever points I have explained you are shown here in this slide. So this is the first slide which shows a general reaction between carbonyl group and a Grignard reagent. Here you can see the formation of adduct has taken place. Then in this slide you can see the reaction between formaldehyde and a Grignard reagent, and the product is primary alcohol. In this slide you can see that we have taken aldehydes other than formaldehyde. This is the adduct and the product formed is secondary alcohol. So whenever we take aldehydes other than formaldehyde and it reacts with Grignard reagent, the product formed will be secondary alcohol. And in the third slide we have taken a ketone. So you can see that ketones on reaction with Grignard reagent, first they form adduct as it was formed in other cases also, and the final product you can see here is the tertiary alcohol. So students, I hope each and every point is clear to you. This is a general conclusion that reaction of Grignard reagent with methanol produces a primary alcohol. With other aldehydes it produces a secondary alcohol, and with ketones you will get a tertiary alcohol. So you can see that so simple reaction was this. By using this simple and interesting trick, you can write the reaction quickly within seconds without making any mistake. Now I'll discuss two NCERT questions with you. So children, you can see that in this question they are asking, show how are the following alcohols prepared by reaction of a suitable Grignard reagent on methanol. So you have to prepare this alcohol using methanol. So children, you know that methanol on reaction with Grignard reagent always produces primary alcohol. So first we will check also that the alcohol which is written here is a 1 degree alcohol, and the alcohol which is written here is also 1 degree alcohol. So first we will solve the first question. So as you have to prepare this primary alcohol using Grignard reagent. So first I have written the formula of formaldehyde here. Children, one very interesting point I want to tell you here. Whenever you want to prepare any alcohol, remember one point. The CH2 group of the alcohol comes from formaldehyde. I am talking about the preparation of primary alcohols using Grignard reagent. So look at the formula of the alcohol which you are going to prepare. So the CH2 group which was present adjacent to OH group comes from the formaldehyde. So this portion is coming from, I am writing here, this portion will come from formaldehyde. Then the remaining portion, this CH3, I can use a different color so that it will become prominent to you. So this portion will come from Grignard reagent. This is the very simple thing. So now, as this portion is coming from formaldehyde, I have written formaldehyde here. Now I have to choose a suitable Grignard reagent. So I am writing CH3, single bond CH, single bond CH3, MgBr. So you can see how I have chosen this Grignard reagent. Simply I have copied the same thing which was written here and I have added MgBr here. Now I am going to write the product. So product will involve the attack of this portion on the carbonyl carbon, and the electrons of this bond will be shifted to oxygen. So let me write the product first. So I am writing the formula of adduct first. H will remain as it is. Then I am writing this C. On the C you have O. On this O, this MgBr will attach. So OMgBr. And this H will also remain as it is. And now on this C, what will come on this C? You can see on this C, this CH3 3CS-CH3 group will attach. So I am writing this group. So first I am writing here CH. You can see on the CH we have CH3 group and CH3 group. So now you can see that so easily without making any mistake we have written adduct here. Now what will happen? This adduct will undergo hydrolysis. And for hydrolysis till now you must have become master because you have to break this OMG bond. So H of water will attach itself to the oxygen and OH of water will attach here. So your product I am going to write from here. As it is I am writing here. So first I am writing this CH3. Okay, so I have written this CH3. Then I am writing this CH. So I am writing CH. Then on CH you can see the CH3 was present. So I have written that. So now we are done with this part. Till now we are done with this part. Then what we have? After that I have CH2. So I am writing CH2 here. After CH2 you have OH. So this is our alcohol which we were supposed to make using a suitable Grignard reagent. And if you want you can write the byproduct also. The byproduct will be MgOHBr. So I hope you understood. Just see such a simple reaction is this. Now I am going to prepare the next alcohol on the next slide. This is our alcohol which we have to prepare using a suitable Grignard reagent. So children, you know that primary alcohols can always be prepared by using formaldehyde. So if you look at this alcohol, you can see that this is a primary alcohol. So we can prepare this alcohol using a formaldehyde. So I am writing the formula of formaldehyde here. HCH double bond O. And children, I told you in the previous slide also that this CH2 group which is present in the alcohol will come from formaldehyde. So it will come from formaldehyde I am writing here. Now what about this group? This group will come from Grignard reagent. I'll use a different color so that it will become prominent for you. So this will come from Grignard reagent. So I have to choose a suitable Grignard reagent which can provide this cyclohexyl group. So I am using here, you can see that this is cyclohexyl magnesium bromide. So what will happen? The reaction will take place. This cyclohexyl group will attach itself to the carbon of the carbonyl group and this MgBr will attach itself to the oxygen of the carbonyl group. So let me form the adduct first. So our adduct will be, I am writing H, this H as it is. Then C. Above the C you have oxygen. So on this oxygen MgBr will be added. Below the C what will come? This cyclohexyl group will get attached. And in the side of C you have H. So I am writing H as it is. So you can see this is the adduct which is formed after the nucleophilic addition of Grignard reagent on the carbonyl carbon of formaldehyde. Now this adduct will undergo hydrolysis. And as I told you that very confidently you can write the product after hydrolysis of adduct. The bond from this position will undergo breaking. So the bond will break from here. H of water will be added here. OH of water will be added here. So your product I am writing here. So children, you can see that this product as this cyclohexyl group as it is. On the cyclohexyl group we have CH2 group and then this O is attached with the hydrogen. So you can see that this is the product which you were supposed to form along with the byproduct. So byproduct is MgOHBr. So just see that such an interesting and simple topic was this. Students, I hope each and every point is clear to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, share this video with your friends also and like this video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.